AI tools will help you to make this kind of reel, short, or TikTok video within a meeting and without doing nothing. So it's actually the three-step format. So if you have a store and you just need simply copy and paste the product link, so whatever store you are using like Amazon or Shopify, whatever, just drop the link on there, and then these tools will complete your video like this format, and you can download it in a minute. So you don't have to pay to anyone, you don't have to hire someone from expert to spend thousands of dollars. Just simply use these brand new AI tools that will help you to increase your business, and this weapon for your viral video ad. So right now TikTok video and short are viral. So if you want to really boost your business, you need this formatted video, and this tool will help you a lot. And here you can see without that you will get a this kind of feature. So advanced feature, for example, AI clip selection, content matching, so like this. So you can see if you select or paste raw content like this, and these tools will replace with this format. So how cool is this, right? And then AI script write. So if you write AI and actually if you give some instruction, this AI will complete your script, and that will be more professional. And here you can see there is a bunch of professional template that you can use anytime. Okay, just you need to use these tools, and then you will get a lot of features and you can increase your business. And don't forget to check this video description, because I will put this link on there, and you will get a lifetime deal for these tools, because this is brand new and they are experimenting something and they are discounted so right now. So this deal will close, you can grab it on the Black Friday, and then you will. And let's back here. So describe AI avatar. So you can make avatar real life avatar. For example, if you use your photo, these tools will make realistic avatar for you. Okay, so for example, this photo for you, and this is will be your avatar. So this is a very useful example that I am going to show you. And this is layout on the media. So this actually tools will yeah, support this all most of them layout actually. So you can choose whatever you want, and if you get access of these tools, you will see this kind of clear interface. So you don't need to watch lot of tutorial on YouTube and learn fast to make video. So this is very easy and beginner friendly. You can you can easily use these tools instantly. Okay, so this is actually a secret weapon, will help you to increase your business. And if you want to learn more about it, and like right now you can use these tools for like free. You can use their trail. You can see 10 free credit for 10 full video. So don't worry, you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to buy it now. Just go to the video description link and open these tools and try it for free. You don't have to pay, and when you will love it, you can buy it. So that's it. So that's actually I wanted to show you these secret tools for today. See you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a good day.